In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to compress PDF files using WPS PDF, a powerful tool that can significantly reduce the size of your PDFs, making them easier to share and manage, in just a few simple steps. First, click the link in the description to try out WPS PDF and the full WPS Office Pro suite for free. Open WPS PDF on your computer. From the top menu, go to the Tools tab. Select Compress PDF. Upload the PDF you want to shrink. Either drag and drop it in, or browse your folder to select it. WPS will show you different compression levels: high, medium, or low. Pick whichever fits your needs best. Click Start or Compress and let WPS handle the process. It only takes a few seconds. Once finished, save your newly compressed PDF to your computer. And that's it. Your PDF is now smaller, lighter, and easier to share or upload. This is the power of WPS PDF, making your tasks super quick and easy. Don't forget, click the link in the description to try WPS PDF and WPS Office Pro Suite for free today. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out more tips here on the channel. There's a lot more to discover.